Click on the link below to get price. The Cisco Meraki MR76-HW Wi-Fi 6 outdoor wireless access point is an impressive device that elevates outdoor connectivity to a new level. Designed for outdoor use, it combines robust performance and advanced technology in a sleek, weather-resistant package. The MR76 delivers Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, ensuring faster speeds and improved efficiency, especially in environments with many connected devices. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included mounting kit, which allows for versatile placement options. The access point is ruggedly built to withstand harsh weather conditions, with an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. This durability ensures the device can operate effectively in various outdoor settings, such as parks, stadiums, and campuses. Performance-wise, the MR76 excels, offering up to 2.5 gigabits per second of throughput, which is impressive for outdoor deployments. The enhanced capacity allows for simultaneous connections from numerous devices without compromising speed. It also features advanced technologies like MU-MIMO and OFDMA, which significantly improve performance in high-density environments by allowing multiple users to connect simultaneously with minimal latency. The management interface is user-friendly, thanks to the Cisco Meraki cloud-based dashboard, which provides real-time monitoring and analytics. This feature allows network administrators to easily manage multiple access points from a single interface, simplifying troubleshooting and configuration. The dashboard includes robust security features, including automatic firmware updates, ensuring that the network remains protected against emerging threats. One notable downside is the initial cost, which might be higher than other outdoor access points on the market. However, the performance, reliability, and extensive feature set justify the investment, especially for businesses and organizations that require dependable outdoor connectivity. In conclusion, the Cisco Meraki MR76-HW is a top-tier outdoor access point that offers exceptional performance and reliability. It's a solid choice for any organization looking to enhance their outdoor wireless capabilities, making it a worthwhile investment for the future of connectivity.